All right, so who's been cooking and baking more since this pandemic began? I know I have. I've tried dozens of new recipes, but this bread recipe is next on my list. All right, it's almost 90 years old and it doesn't use any yeast, so it's kind of similar to a banana or a zucchini bread. It started taking off last year via an old cooking subreddit. All you have to do is search hashtag peanut butter bread on any social media platform, and you're gonna get tons of these pictures and the recipes like all of these other bakers' creations. And now this right here, this is a look at 6 ingredients you're gonna need. First off, we got flour, baking soda, sugar, salt, peanut butter, and milk. I said baking powder, not baking soda, baking powder. Bake time is only 1 hour. Our producer Erin tried the recipe last night and said it's super easy. That's what I'm holding in my hand here. She used skim milk. The recipe says bake between 325 and 350. She did 350, but would go 325 next time. It's pretty good. All right, from bread to cookies. Chocolate chip cookies, to be exact. The smell of those baking in the oven, fantastic. The basic ingredients are pretty much the same, while some like to make substitutions such as butter Crisco instead of butter. You can always also add oatmeal, or if you don't want to ruin the cookie, or if you want to ruin the cookie, add some walnuts. Okay, for the first time ever, the DoubleTree is sharing its chocolate chip cookie recipe. There's other copycat recipes that exist out there, but this one is legit. A big surprise, it has all the expected ingredients, but it also has a pinch of cinnamon, and wait for it, lemon juice. That's right, lemon juice. So why are we getting the recipe now? Well, these are challenging times, and according to DoubleTree's Senior VP and Global Head, a warm chocolate chip cookie can't solve everything, but it can bring a moment of comfort and happiness. Isn't that the truth? And finally, to wrap up our food edition of On the Brink, we're gonna move to my most treasured piece of the food pyramid, coffee. I'm all about that Java, and Jack in the Box is showing the love with an extra caffeine kick. That's because they are now serving boosted coffee. It's stronger than 2 cups of coffee. You can get it plain with French vanilla creamer or with Hershey's chocolate caramel or caramel, however you pronounce it. Drink up that 200 milligrams of caffeine. Now I'm hungry, thirsty, and in need of some caffeine. This has been On the Brink, and we're back after this.